As you are watching this video, my guess is you need some sort of data. Now sit back and relax. Octoparse has you covered. Octoparse is the go-to software for connecting your business to any web data. Octoparse at its core is a web scraping software. It offers a powerful framework for you to build your own web scrapers within clicks, and ultimately create your own data feeds from any website. Octoparse can help you get the web data you need without coding, increase data acquisition productivity, lower your data spendings, better manage and maintain your data pipelines. Octoparse is quite powerful yet flexible. It can scale with your business as you grow, from scraping one website to monitoring thousands of websites. Octoparse is simple enough that you can get up and running right away, but also contains powerful advanced features that you can use to achieve scraping websites of all kinds, such as those that require login, uses infinitive loading, JavaScript, and more. Simple, easy-to-use user interface, no coding needed. AI-powered algorithms that enable auto-detecting data from a web page. Scheduled data acquisition, near real-time data monitoring and retrieval. Advanced cloud computing technology for secure and robust scraping processes. Multi-role access helps your team work together and become more efficient. Seamless API integration to automate the data acquisition process. And that's not it. If time is a concern for you, don't worry, there's more. Ready-to-use scraping templates for hundreds of popular websites? Skip the learning curve and get data instantly. Manage data service. Tell us what data you need and we'll give you the clean and accurate data. With over 10 years of experience in web data extraction, we know how to make things right. Regardless of how you use it, Octoparse makes data acquisition affordable and manageable for you. In fact, companies that work with Octoparse observe over 60% of cost savings and 6 times more data coverage. So, they are happy, and we are happy. See firsthand how Octoparse can help acquire the data you need to drive your business forward.